Welcome! In this video I will unbox this Lenovo Yoga Tab Plus and we'll together see what accessories, items and just generally peripherals this little tablet comes with. Without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So in order for me to be able to unbox this tablet, I gotta take my handy dandy knife and cut those little ribbons that, well, prevent the box from being opened. So I'll try to make a very delicate cut, not to damage the box itself and just for everything to look pretty in general. So yeah, to be honest with you guys, this little strip is pretty stiff. So it takes me way more effort to get it cut than I would expect, but yeah, we did it. Nice. Now we gotta do the same for the strip on the opposite end of the box, and here you have it. Now I can take off the top cover and show you what's inside. So at the very top you'll be able to see the tablet itself that is wrapped around with this little protective foil, which you can slide it off from like that or slide it out. Here is the tablet itself, so let's power it on while we be I'm sorry guys, while we be reviewing the accessories that it comes with. So here's the start of the show, the Tab Pen Pro. On the first touch it feels pretty pleasant. I guess the plastic is smooth. You also have this little difference in materials that visually looks pretty neat, if you ask me. The pen itself is, well, I wouldn't say it's heavy, but it's kind of heavier than I expect it to be. But I guess the weight of this pen shouldn't get in your way while using it. So even if you'll be using this little peripheral for prolonged periods of time, your hand should not be, well, too tired, if you ask me, but we'll see. So let's actually magnet the pen right to the tablet here, which it should be able to do. Yep, just like that. Apart from the pen, you also get the Type-C to Type-C wire. You also get something in here, which is, yep, paperwork. Quick start guide if you'll need it. You also get the replacement or spare tip for the pen, so if you'll ever need to replace it or swap it, you can do that. That's a nice little touch. And here you get nothing, just a cover for the box. And well, as far as accessories and other additional items go, that would be more or less it. You don't get anything else, at least not as far as I can see. So yeah, wire, stylus, the replacement pin, and paperwork. That's pretty much it. Should I lift this little form, it shouldn't have anything hidden under it. So let's quickly verify that. Now as far as I can see, there is nothing there. Yep, so now we can actually take the tablet itself and try to set it up. Yep, now it has the correct orientation here. Now let's power on the Tab Pen Pro and see if it will connect to the tablet right away. Does it even have the power button? Well, no, as far as I can see at the very least. So it is always on, or it is always in the pairing mode, or what? Let's first start by selecting English language in the initial system setup, so you guys will be able to understand what is going on here. Sorry for the overblown exposure here on the screen. Unfortunately, I have no idea how to change the display brightness level while in the setup menu, so I will quickly perform an initial system setup so we can get to the system as quickly as possible, so I can actually adjust the screen brightness here. So the Wi-Fi connection has been established. Now actually let's stick the stylus back to the tablet. Maybe this way it will be able to pair itself. So I can, try using it in the setup. Well, not as far as I can see, so yeah. Perhaps the quick start guide will tell us how to quickly pair the stylus with tablet. So let's see. So those are the safety instructions. Yeah, it's safety and warranty guide. That's not a quick start. This should be up. Here you go. We have the pen charging area here, as expected. Well, as far as I can see, it does not tell how to connect the pen right away, so that's fine. We'll just, as I've mentioned previously, we'll just quickly configure the system here and get ourselves straight into the Android itself, so we can actually pair the stylus. So, skipping the screen lock, since we are not interested in configuring it right now, and we are all set up. So I guess now we can use the stylus. Not yet. Already. Let's begin by setting an appropriate brightness level. Here, let's go into the Bluetooth, switch it on, and see. Yeah, I expected to find the S Pen right away, so let's wait once again. Well, so the S Pen was not recognized by the Bluetooth. Maybe this is the S Pen, or I mean Tab Pen Pro. I'm sorry guys, I keep calling it an S Pen for no apparent reason at all. Maybe here we have the separate, yep, pen and keyboard. Here you go, pen is not connected. Let's see, details. To connect the pen, detect it to the location. Oh, so maybe there at the very top. Let's see. Yeah, I gotta connect it or attach it to the top part of the frame in order for it to pair. So let's try to do that. Yep. Yeah. It has attached itself right where this little guide shows. And now the Lenovo Tab Pen Pro is connecting, and it is indeed paired. So I can start using it. Let me quickly show you all surface level system parts. I don't know how I've managed to come up with a sentence like this, I'm sorry, but yeah. So here, what the settings look like, or the settings app looks like. I actually have no idea what is the gesture to open the home screen with this Lenovo pen, so maybe this one. No, it is going to open the drawing interface or the drawing toolbar. And if I'll swap from this corner, it will open the notes already. And how do I get myself? Well, I'll just use my fingers for it. That's what the home screen looks like, the app dock, the app icons. That's your control center as well as notification panel. Here you have the Google Entertainment space, which you can also configure, disable, enable, do whatever you see fit with this little Google Feed or Google Discover page by opening the home screen settings. And well, as far as like surface level stuff goes, that will be more or less it, guys. Should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.